Good morning, everyone. My name is Ayateke, and if you're watching this, it means that there's been a problem with my internet or any type of issue during my presentation, and I'm very sorry about that. Let's get started with my presentation. My research topic is the contribution of Apple's ecosystem user experience to its success. The problem statement here is that over the past 20 years, Apple has been able to become one of the most successful companies in the world. It has come out with a range of products and created an ecosystem with these products that has been very successful. We are trying to see what software companies and developers can learn from Apple and its strategy to create an ecosystem to make its business so successful. The research objective here is to understand what aspects of the ecosystem really contributed to Apple's success and its products as well. So some of the specific objectives are to understand the software ecosystem and its importance, to understand the user experience across the Apple ecosystem and what people like, what the users enjoy the most. And then finally, I would like to recommend a solution to startups on how to best design for an ecosystem rather than a single product. My research questions are three that are the next three. I'm sorry about that. The first one is trying to understand the role of branding and design consistency in the company. The second one is looking at what startups can really learn from Apple and its ecosystem and the seamless user experience. And finally, what specific aspects of the Apple ecosystem user experience contributed to its success. The research methods that I used during my research were reviewing existing research and also qualitative surveys and interviews. So the first I looked at different papers and research that has been done over the years, but the two that I wanted to highlight are the following. The first one looks at ecosystems, software ecosystems to be specific, and their benefits. And the second one looks at Apple and the different success factors that it's had over the years. And software operating system and the ecosystem in general is one of the success factors for Apple, not the only one, but one of them. With the interviews, I reached out to users with Apple products with at least one or more Apple products and asked them what they like the most about the user experience, what aspects they like the most. After the interviews and surveys, I picked out three of the most recurring terms or themes from the different interviewees and survey participants. And those were, the main one is the seamless use of the products, simple design, and user experience. That the user experience is really intuitive and it's not like it's like they're using something they already know how to use. So the future of my project, I would really enjoy or hope to interview a larger group of iPhone users, not just iPhone, but iPhone and other products of Apple from the Apple product line. The second is to create a community of developers and startups where we can just learn from each other and share resources and information. Finally, a platform that would provide single source or single place where you can get all those tools and resources to start building for ecosystems or software ecosystems to be specific. Now I'm going to take you to my prototype for my solution. Just one moment. Sorry about that. So my solution as of right now is a website. It's a high fidelity prototype for a website. And this website will have two main functionalities. One, to inform people about this project. Two, to allow people to join a community. We'll make use of an existing software social media platform for people to join and interact on. So the main point is to join the community, learn from other designers, and improve on your designs. Next is to collect more information. Like I mentioned, I would really like to interview or get responses from more iPhone users, and I would like them to submit surveys for me to understand what they like. On top of this, I would also like to interview designers themselves that would be using this platform. So this is what this section would be for. Finally, the resource dump, which would be like a Git repository with all the information that has been collected and shared by people in the community, and the social media platform that they can find on here. So thank you very much. I hope my presentation was short and concise. And I hope I don't have to play this for the presentation, but if I do, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.